What's up, guys? Justin here with TheSketchUpEssentials.com. So one of the cool things I get to do with this channel is highlight other great SketchUp resources that can help you start using SketchUp in a different way and take your skills to the next level. And so in this video, I specifically wanted to highlight a video that just got posted on Michael BRIGHTMAN's channel. It's a presentation that Matt Wheeler gave last year at the BRIGHTMAN SketchUp Summit. And so this is one of those presentations that completely changed the way that I look at dynamic components and profile builder in SketchUp. So it's been posted for free, so you can just watch the whole thing, and I recommend that you go do that. But basically, Matt talks about his practical workflow for using both dynamic components and also profile builder. So the first half of the presentation talks about how he's using dynamic components inside of his models in order to really quickly iterate and make changes. And then the second half of the video, he talks a little bit more about how he's using profile builder in order to make models that are easy to change and adjust. And the way that Matt approaches this is very practical. And especially at the end, he talks a little bit about why he uses model boneyards as opposed to like something like component finder or something like that. Completely changed the way that I'm looking at my component libraries moving forward. I will say Matt's going to be speaking along with a bunch of other speakers and myself at the BRIGHTMAN SketchUp Summit on June 11th. I think there's still some tickets available for that. So if you do want to check that out, I will link to that in the notes down below. That's not an affiliate link or anything like that. I'm just a speaker there, and I think it's going to be a really great event. So if you are looking for a great event with some really great SketchUp speakers, we've got some new ones that are going to be there, and I'm really excited to just be able to kind of hang out with people and talk SketchUp. That's going to be happening starting June 11th in Denver, Colorado. So I will link to that in the notes down below. Oh, I will also link to my Getting Started with Profile Builder playlist in the notes down below if you do want to start learning how to use Profile Builder. It's a super powerful tool. But as always, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks, guys.